So my section coming over, I am pointing to this clip. I'm level with the clip. All right, so now when I comb this down, I want to still make sure that this is looking really lovely. And I've got that nice soft frame here. Taylor, let me just see you over direct the hair that you've already cut. If you could the hair that you just cut, over direct it so I can see where your fingers are pointing to, that would be amazing. Let me just see where that hair is laying. Are we going to take it over? Good, great. Now let it fall down. I comb that into place, Taylor, so I could just see it around the face. Let's do a little design moment. Alison, that looks really nice, really nice. Stacey, if you could face me so I could just see how far you're taking it. So technically you would be almost pointing at the shoulders. Yeah, you don't want your fingers pulling away from the face because the face is the shortest and so when you're over directing, Macy, coming through here, you want to make sure that you are, if anything, pointing to the shoulder. You're not pulling away from the shoulder. I continue to take sections this way, over directing, extreme over direction. I go back to exactly the same place. And everything now, until I reach the back of the ear, will be cut onto this line.
We were putting in a bang and a face frame for her. So it really made a big difference for her, the fact that I asked her so many questions or had her fill out the form.
Good.
So that was great. My life is great. I have no complaints.
Good. That's wonderful. Well, you look like you are so on form. Make sure as you go across the top of the head, you keep that elbow down for me. And let me just watch you take a few more sections through the front.
Sure.
So as we can see, Alison is taking a section from she's working on our heavier side. She is over directing the hair backwards towards the crown. She's working with her razor. She's working up towards the ceiling, dropping her elbow. So she works nice and soft and light. Good, 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 much better. And just have the elbow relax. That's it. That's it. Up towards the ceiling. Good. Well done. Very nice. After class, our students post their work in the forum for feedback. Well done. I love these images. Great shape and balance. Now I would like to see more relaxed and undone. Bravo. So proud of you. How do you feel about where you are now compared to where you were before?
It takes me back when I first started doing hairdressing and I had the passion and the joy. And then living in an area where there's a lot of economical crunches and things and people move away and things happen, you kind of get discouraged. And I feel bubbly. I feel happy. I'm thrilled to be doing hair. I look forward to going to work and playing, and I just can't stop.
And before you started the program, describe the Misty. How did you feel then?
I lost myself. I was depressed. I had anxiety. There's a lot of things that you feel when you feel like you're not good enough and people whine at you all the time and you're too expensive and it just eats at you for a while. And then you just have the crash and you just don't want to do hair anymore. And that's why I came to you, because I wanted to still do hair and I wanted to see what I had. And I didn't know I had it anymore. And
you sure do. You have been a blessing to all of us.
Thank you.
And I'm going to get emotional. The way you have posted your work, the way you have shown up, the way you have given this 100%, we all salute you, because we all go through challenges and you chose to rise up and do something with it.
Yeah.
And I admire you and I respect you, and you are a joy to this class. Whenever you show up, you are the sunshine in a room, and I thank you.
Thank you.